back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Sun Dolphin Pro. So first here we have the seat. I'm going to show you this. So here's the seat. It'll slide back and up, and it turns. And then if we come over here, we got all my rods. Not all my rods, you know, but cable's not mine, but we got all my rods that I have in my boat. I can fit more over there. I'll show you real quick. Oh yeah, update. A quick update for y'all guys. A catfish broke one of my best poles, so yeah. But I might. Hold up. Never mind. That's already jacked up. But anyway, back to the boat. Coming in here, we got the Ultra Balance. Then we got the Hunter Hawk Pro XLT. And we got, you know, reels. And this reel, that's a really nice reel, by the way. I got Mason one. Oh, he really liked it. I love it. I'm gonna get in the boat. As you see, it sits nicely. Hold up. You'll see that in a minute. Hold up. I'm sorry. As you see, it sits really nice. I'm like sitting down on it, see? Sitting down on it, but I like it a lot. But you got that. I'm just doing this video so Mason Patterson can see it and Timmy Thomas can see it. But right here is my trombone tackle. Like, I got a flashlight in here for when I go jugging, stuff like that. Just gotta prop this up right here. So we got this. Gotta prop it up right here. Okay, that'd be good. You can see it. We got a flashlight. Hard baits and hooks. And you got your soft baits. But I'm going to be putting some catfish and stuff in here. Most of right in here, I forgot to tell you this. The catfish setup right here. I'm going to run through it real quick. I mean. Show y'all here. You know, I just put the lid back on. It's a clear box. Right here we got a knife. Right here we got some scents and cleaner. And then right here we have some hooks and weights, stringer, a bobber, another bobber, and then my clippers. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to be getting a trolling motor for it soon, but, yeah. So, I mean, I love this boat. See, like, I'm probably going to put, like, an anchor hanging off right here or something. I'm going to paddle with an oar today, I guess, because I don't have a trolling motor, but okay. See ya.